All right, here's another one, except this time they want you to see if cotangent of theta over cosecant of theta actually equals sine of theta. And so I'm looking for a trig identity that is going to convert cotangent and cosecant so that somehow they have a sine in there, or cosines or something. Let's see, what do we got? Cotangent. Okay, here we go. Cotangent of theta is cosine over sine. So I'm going to put that right there. And then cosecant is right here. Cosecant is 1 over sine. So I'm going to put that there. Okay, so my denominator here is going to become, instead of cosecant, it will be 1 over sine of theta. And then my numerator, hello. Sometimes my computer just does things. I don't know. This, instead of cotangent is going to be cosine of theta over sine of theta. But when you write it like this is the same thing as taking the yellow stuff and dividing it by the blue stuff. And then, of course, in fraction land, so the yellow stuff would be cosine of theta over sine of theta divided by 1 over sine of theta. But I'm in fraction land here. Okay, I'm done with my trig functions. And dividing is the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal, which would be sine of theta over 1. And then this is still cosine of theta over sine of theta. And the sine of thetas cross cancel to be 1s. And so really what I'm left with here is cosine of theta times 1 is cosine of theta over 1 times 1, which is 1. And this actually simplifies. This right here actually is cosine of theta, not sine of theta. So nope, it is not an identity. They do not have the same identity, so not gonna do it. There you go. Fun with trig functions and basically fractions.